Hello. In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue where it says TeamViewer not ready. Check your connection. So if you're facing this issue, today I'm going to solve it. So firstly, what you have to do is open your task manager. So right click on the start menu, then open task manager. And now just simply search for TeamViewer over here. So press T and you should find your TeamViewer. Now what you have to do is just simply click on it and click on edit task and completely close TeamViewer. Now after that, what you have to do is open your start menu and search for CMD. Then run this as administrator. And now you have to run two commands that you can get in the description box below. So the first command is this one right over here. And the second command is going to be this one right over here. Now, after you've entered both of the commands, just simply restart your computer and then your issue should most probably be fixed. Now, let's say if you're still facing the issue, what you have to do is open your settings. So just simply right click on your start menu, then settings. And over here, just simply go to the network and internet. Then if you're using Wi-Fi, just simply go inside Wi-Fi. And if you're using Ethernet cable, just simply go into that option. Or you can just simply go to the advanced network settings and you can choose it from there as well. So over here, just simply choose which way you're using internet and then click on the drop-down box. Now in the more adapter option, click on edit and you will find this panel. Now just simply double click on Internet Protocol version 4 and then you will be able to see this panel over here. Now what you have to do is, you have to choose this option and then enter the following DNS. So it's going to be 8.8.8.8. And over here at the bottom, again, click on it and type 8.8 and then 4.4. Then just hit OK. Then again hit OK. And after this, your issue should be fixed. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like, subscribe to our channel and take care.